KUKI LALHOUBA SINGA CHATNARIBA SUGI AGREEMENT ASE Makha Tana Chatnadanaba Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity Cocomi na Prime Minister Narendra Modi da Ayiba Cherol Thaduna Takshinkhre. Cocomi ki Coordinator Cherol Thaduna Takshinkhre piraga ngarang New Delhi da leiba Prime Minister ge office ta thajinkiba Ayiba Cherol aduna hai Jin KUKI narco terrorist singa CHATNARIBA Sugi agreement ase lakliba tangkun mapanda loigadoribani kumja ing lisingani supna nipandage political dialogue tawduna chatnarakhiba su ase tangkak naina extend tawraga lakhrabasu ngasi fawada tangdu leitabagi mami amata tadri ahoina dum sugi ground rules hanjin thogaiduna manipurda thokliba irang ase hena sathiba mayon amada Chin KUKI narco terrorist sing asina puraga chatli manipurda thokliba irang asiga mari lainana Haukiba numit kharani asida KUKI khulai paiba singna Indian Army amsung State Force ki mathakta akanba lan chatharaki haibagi khudam changdam mayek singna lei maramaduna KUKI LALHOUBA singa CHATNARIBA su ase makha sangthadringai hauzik oiriba phibam sing ase kupna yengsinbagi changai fadaba chauna lei haiba wafam Cherol aduda Makha Tana palli Amaromda Ayiba Cherol adubo Delhi da chatuna Prime Minister ge office ta hakthing nana pisilubada saruk yakiba Cocomi ge executive member Kuraizam athobana hai KUKI LALHOUBA singa CHATNARIBA su ase lakliba tangkun mapanda matam loiragani maram aduna hiramasigi matangda Prime Minister na akanba meeting changbinaba Cherol ase yamna maru oiba ama oina pisinbani Hauzik Manipur da oiriba fibam ase yenglaga KUKI LALHOUBA singa CHATNARIBA su ase Makha Tana Chatnadanaba hairiba LALHOUBA sing asina sugi ground rules thogaiduna thabak tawkibagi thodok kaya Ayiba Cherol aduda mayek sengna palli haina Kuraizam athobana Makha Tana phongdokhe
We are looking forward to the Honorable Prime Minister to take up certain decisions that it should not be extended at any cost because we have submitted a list of incidents where the suspension of operations ground rules are being completely violated by the signatory groups from the KUKI militants organization, and therefore we have appealed that the recent violence that's happening in Manipur is being primarily caused by several actors of the armed cadres belonging to the suspension of operation groups, and we have submitted this memorandum today to the Prime Minister's office for an urgent initiative to be taken up by the Government of India